Optimizing Amplify app performance is crucial for delivering a seamless user experience. To achieve this, start by monitoring your app's performance using Amazon CloudWatch, which provides detailed metrics and insights. Identify bottlenecks and areas that require optimization, such as slow database queries or inefficient API calls. Next, focus on optimizing your app's backend, including the API and database. Use Amazon API Gateway to cache frequently accessed data and reduce the load on your backend. Implement efficient database queries and indexing to improve data retrieval times. Consider using a content delivery network to distribute static assets and reduce latency. On the front end, optimize your app's code by minimizing unnecessary computations and using lazy loading for non-essential resources. Use a bundler like Webpack to optimize and compress your code, reducing the overall payload size. Leverage Amplify's built-in features, such as automatic code splitting and tree shaking, to further optimize your app's performance. To improve network performance, use HTTP/2 and enable Keep Alive to reduce the overhead of establishing new connections. Implement data compression and caching to reduce the amount of data transferred over the network. Use Amplify's built-in support for offline data access and synchronization to enable seamless offline experiences. Finally, test and iterate on your app's performance regularly, using tools like Lighthouse and WebPage Test to identify areas for improvement. Implement automated testing and continuous integration pipelines to ensure that performance optimizations are not compromised during development. By following these best practices and leveraging Amplify's built-in features, you can significantly improve your app's performance and deliver a better user experience.